Sir, what happened today in Smart City PIL?
Smart City PIL was taken up again today. The issue that was discussed was the stretch of road from Kakula Junction up to STP facility. Now, as far as this stretch is concerned, one of the things which we have told the court is that we will do the proper leveling of this road immediately, so that the problem which is faced by the commuters is lessened. We will do some sort of a concretization there temporarily within a period of 15 days, so that the problems of the vehicles and the persons who are traveling on that road is reduced to minimum. That is insofar as this stretch is concerned. Then certain stretches which are pointed out by the petitioners, where they say that there is a problem about the roads, there are potholes, etc. We are supposed to take instructions from the smart city, and we will come out with some solution and some temporary measures immediately, because permanent nature of work cannot be carried out during the rains and the monsoon. But immediate solution for within next 15 days time, we are trying to find out what we can do best as far as these roads are concerned. There are around 6 areas which have been identified by the court, where we are supposed to inform the court on Tuesday about what precautions or what measures we can take for the purpose of betterment of these roads in that particular areas.
So you will inform on Tuesday regarding the work will be undertaken within 15 days. It is like that.
As far as the first portion is concerned, that is from Kakula Circle up to STP plant is concerned, that we have already told the court that within 15 days we are going to do that concretization, which is a sort of a temporary concretization. But rest other 5 or 6 stretches are concerned, that we are going to inform the court on Tuesday as to what we are doing about these stretches.
And what about the contract you were supposed to submit?
Bar chart.
We have given a bar chart as far as this stretch is concerned, that is from Kakula Circle up to the STP. That bar chart is already given to the court today, but the court wanted to go into the details of all the contracts. The court will be given the copies of the contract, and we will prepare a chart showing about all these contracts which are executed under the smart city, what was the timeline which was prescribed, how much extension was granted, and for what reasons these extensions were granted. We will point out to the court, and for that the court has said that presently the concentration will be about taking some temporary measures for the purpose of giving good motorable accesses and roads. That is the concentration of the court.